Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch a stream in full screen on Discord. First, click on the server where someone is streaming. The server list is on the left side of your screen. Then click on the voice channel that member is in to join it. You'll see the channel highlighted in green once you're connected. Once you're connected, a call control bar appears at the bottom of your screen with several options including video, screen share, and full screen controls. Click the full screen icon on that bar to expand the stream to fill your entire screen. To exit full screen, click the full screen icon again, and the stream returns to its normal window size within the Discord interface. If you need to exit again, click that same icon one more time to leave full screen. If the stream audio is too quiet or too loud in full screen, right-click the member's name in the voice channel and adjust their user volume before you expand it. You can exit full screen at any point by pressing Escape on your keyboard instead of clicking the icon. This is especially handy when you want to quickly check chat or switch channels without moving your mouse to find the button. Keep in mind that full screen hides Discord's chat and channel list, so if you need to read messages while watching, stick to the normal view or use picture-in-picture mode instead. And that's how to watch a stream in full screen on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.